Hi everyone, my name is Lynetta. I'm a student and I will be giving my take on the Supreme Court verdict.
What's your opinion on the judgment of the Supreme Court?
Okay, I will divide it into, I think I'll divide it into three. So, number one, the burden of proof. So the Honorable CJ, she dismissed and she said that the evidence that was given was hot air, but she did not give an example of why it was hot air. Like, she did not go into details. And then another thing, she dismissed the evidence of third parties being able to access the server, and yet in her final verdict she said that only IBC should be able to access the server, so there was contradiction. The second part is on the IBC. So she talked about the IBC that the IBC should have separation of powers, but to what extent should the separation of powers happen? She talked about, she said that the commission is not the chairman, but if the chairman is not involved in the commission, how do we ensure that there is consistency of results? And then another thing, the conduct of the election. I agree with her on the issue of not overturning the voters' will with technicalities. Yeah, the voters' will should not be overturned by technicalities because the voter was not directly involved. The voter just wanted their will to be heard.
Question 2. The 2017 petition ruled against process, and the 2022 has ruled contrary to that. Does our court have judicial precedents?
At this point, I don't think our court system actually uphold the process and the consistency that should be there. So in my opinion, I feel like there shouldn't be an overall like supreme ruler. Man is to error, and I feel like there should be a board or maybe some people who, when you're not satisfied with the Supreme Court, you should go and consult, like someone who holds the judiciary accountable. Yeah.
Question 3. The overall conduct of the Supreme Court judges in the process. What's your opinion on that?
I think it was vague. In my opinion, I think it was vague. Though it wasn't deep. Like, they didn't tell us the reason specifically why they were just stating points, and like even the issue on IBC, they did not give us opinions or a way forward to try and improve and avoid such mistakes in the future.
What's your parting shot?
My parting shot is, moving forward, we as Kenyans should try and form a body that holds the judiciary accountable. Thank you for watching. This production was done by MJW.